Today we're exploring Pompeii, an ancient Roman city frozen in time by the eruption of the nearby volcano Mount Vesuvius back in 79 AD. As we explore the ruins of this ancient Roman city, we're transported back in time to witness the everyday life of its inhabitants. Pompeii provides us a window into the lost world of the Romans. 1,945 years ago, in this busy Roman city, people were going about their day, picking up their daily supplies. Bars were noisy and bustling. The brothels, well, they were bumping along. And the gladiators were preparing for their battles. Little did they know that this day would change their lives forever. High above the city, Mount Vesuvius, one of the most dangerous volcanoes on Earth, was ready to explode. Just like the sailor down at the brothel. With lava and other volcanic material traveling at 100 miles per hour and temperatures greater than 300 degrees Celsius, sadly the people in Pompeii didn't stand a chance. Pompeii was completely buried alive in 18 hours.
Pompeii was once a busy port city with 20,000 residents. The city boasted more than 40 bakeries, 130 bars, and plenty of public baths. Being a port, it also had brothels, restaurants, and entertainment venues that catered to sailors from all over the Roman world, many of whom didn't speak any Latin, which explains the detailed pictures everywhere.
Hey, where's this arrow pointing at?
You.
Oh, look, there's another arrow right there. And there. And there. Huh. I wonder where they lead to. We just left the most popular place in Pompeii, and that would be the brothel. Popular back then, and popular in today's world as well, too. It was very quick.
That's what she said?
Currently in the baths, exploring where the people of Pompeii would come after a long, exhausting day and just relax, hang out, talk to one another while they're sitting in the bathtub, soaking. Walking through the streets, we can find well-preserved buildings, marketplaces, and even the remains of the city's famous amphitheater. Now we're currently standing in the middle of the auditorium in Pompeii, where many gladiators lost their life in search of glory. Did you also know that Pink Floyd actually played back here in 1972? A little trivia fact for you. The streets were designed as a central drain to help guide water through the city. These big stones right here, so your toga and Gucci shoes wouldn't get wet. You can see the roads that were a little bit more heavily traveled. You can even see the wheels of the carriage, their engravings in the road. We're definitely going to figure out how the road drainage system works today.
Are you having any fun? Are you having any fun? Oh, is she getting out or leaving?
I think part of it is just being in the old ancient Pompeian city and just kind of squint your eyes a little bit and imagine it being a living, breathing city that's just really frozen in time. It's pretty eerie walking around Pompeii because not only is it an open air museum, but it's also a graveyard to all the Pompeians that Mount Vesuvius took all of their lives. And it's pretty eerie just seeing Mount Vesuvius from every angle of the city. The plaster casts of the victims offer a haunting reminder of the tragedy that befell Pompeii. Interestingly, they created plaster casts by filling the voids in the volcanic material which once was filled with the body which eventually decayed. When filled with plaster, what was left was of the Pompeian cast of a victim showing their emotions and body position of their final moments. You can really feel their emotions, truly a heavy feeling that's hard to explain until you see it with your own eyes.
Thus, the excavated city provides outstanding historical evidence of Roman civilization. These reminders of the past, which are so vivid and tangible in the remains brought to light, contribute to the fascination of the present. Pompeii stands as a testament to the power of nature and resilience of humanity in the face of disaster.
Speaking of the future, Mount Vesuvius, the most dangerous volcano in the world, if it was to erupt on the same scale again, it could take up to as many as 3 million casualties. And I don't know about you, but I would not want to live by an active volcano, but surprisingly 3 million people, it doesn't seem to bother them. I guess it kind of sounds a little hypocritical because I live in Oklahoma and tornadoes come every single year and damage so much and many lives are lost. That being said, now we head to our next destination where all roads seem to lead. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like, comment below, subscribe for more, and we will see you guys in Rome. Since we're about to reach our final destination in Rome, we have to do something to the car before we actually return it. Yeah. Lamborghini. Surprised that sticker stayed on so long. It was on since right after we left Venice. I'm not sure how many miles we've gone, but it's been quite a bit. This guy's about to hit me. Bye bye, Fiat.
Bye. Cutie, we like it.